Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to set up your Xiaomi Smart Band 9 with an Android device. So all you have to do is simply connect your smart band to a charger so that you can turn it on. And then once you turn it on, you should get to this section. So from here, choose the language that you'd like to use on the smart band. So there are a couple of them. So you can simply scroll through and find the language that you'd like to use. So I'll just select my default one, which is English. Tap on it. And then you'll be prompted to scan this QR code to download the app that you'll use to pair your device. So all I have to do is launch the camera app on my phone, on my Android device, and then scan the QR code. So simply scan the QR code. And then once you scan the QR code, simply open in browser. And now you have to download the Mi Fitness app on your Android device. So simply tap on download. And then it will take you to the Google Play Store and tap on install, and that should install that particular application. However, if you have the application installed, you can skip this step. So let's wait for the application to be installed on my Android device. Now once the application is installed, you can tap on open at this point to open it directly from the Play Store. Or you can go to the home screen and find the application and tap on it to launch it. Now, if it's your first time, all you have to do is tap on start and then read through the terms and conditions for that particular application. So check on that, read and agree to ensure that you have read and agreed to all the terms and conditions. And also, you can choose to enroll into user experience program if you prefer. So if you want to, you can check that and uncheck that and then tap on agree. And then from here, you have to choose the region for that particular, you have to choose the region on your Mi Fitness app. So choose the region. So for me, I'll just choose my region. So let me just search for it. Or alternatively, you can scroll through and find your region and tap on it. Or if you want to search for it, you can simply tap on the search bar, type in the region, and then select it. Now, once you have selected your region, tap on next. And then allow any permissions that might appear. So tap on allow, and there you go. You have set up the application. Now you might be prompted to synchronize your workout and fitness. You can do this another time. Now to connect this smart band to the Mi Fitness app, simply tap on devices and then select add device, or you can select scanner. So choose the one that you prefer. So I'll select add device, and then you should see this app needs transfer data from to and from your device via Bluetooth. So if you have Bluetooth enabled, or if you have it disabled, you have to tap on agree to enable it. And also you have to allow any other permissions that might appear. So just tap on agree and then allow, and there you go. Now it will scan for available devices. As you can see, my Xiaomi Smart Band 10 has been discovered. All I have to do is tap on it, and then you should see this prompt on the watch: pair request from Redmi Note 14 or your phone. So tap on the check mark, and then you have to confirm it on your phone. So you should also see this pair with Xiaomi Smart Band 10. So you can check on that to allow access to your contacts and call history, or you can simply uncheck that and then tap on pair. Then give it a few seconds for it to pair. So you might find this error, so let me just try again. You can see paired, and you should feel a slight vibration. And then once you're done, you can tap on, you can now see your phone has been connected, or rather, you can now see the Mi Band has been successfully connected. So you can tap on next. And then you can be prompted to set up the app notifications for your Smart Band 10. So you can find the individual notifications you want to enable and disable. So I'll just keep it for now. And also you can choose to allow your Smart Band 10 to notify you about incoming calls. For me, I'll just dismiss that. So you can choose to synchronize with system information. So tap on next, and then allow any other permissions that might appear from this point forward. So tap on allow, and then allow the Mi Fitness Band to access your device location. So let me just choose that. Tap on next. So ensure you select allow all the time. So go back, tap on next, and then you should see this wearing guide that you have to when you wear your Smart Band 10. You can simply tap on next, and give it a few seconds. And then you should see this brief tutorial that you can use when you're using your Smart Band 10. So you can go through all of those. If you want to swipe to see different angle widgets, you can customize the widgets in the app. Tap on next. You can see if you want to access the control center, you can see that. Tap on next. Notifications, tap on next, and the features, tap on done. Once you're done, you'll see this option. You are ready to go. So tap on start, and there you go. You have successfully connected your Xiaomi Smart Band 10 to your Android device. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.